Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got something pretty special here, folks. This is a 1954 Chevy Bel Air, and get this, 28,000 original miles. We got it from the estate of the gentleman that bought this car in 1967. 53 years he's owned this car. It's a really nice, well-preserved survivor. Visit volocars.com and you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price, not only on this one. We do have a couple hundred collector cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, tops down, join me, let's go for a spin. Not too many people have gone for a spin in this car with such low miles. I love the color too, it's different. It just fits that era. I think the color makes the car personally. So anyway, underneath the car is completely solid metal. There's no patches, no rotten areas. It's not glossy and polished. It's original, but it's completely solid. Even the inner rockers, clean metal. So if you're looking for a nice dry body, this is it right here. We have a picture of the title from 1967 when he bought it. It was December 21st he bought the car. We also have maintenance records. That's what I was getting to. And in 2002, he had someone go through it pretty thoroughly. In 2002, the fuel tank and the fuel system was flushed out. They did some front end work. The brakes were all rebuilt. New rear springs and shackles. The wheel bearings were packed. Tune up. So in 2002, the car was gone through. The car was maintained. Right now, it runs really well. I personally haven't driven it yet, but it runs real nice. You'll hear that in a few minutes. And it is the automatic transmission, which makes it a lot nicer to drive. So the body is claimed to be the original paint. I know there was some paint work done because in the paperwork, I think the skirts were painted, and it said something about the lower rockers were painted. The rest of it looks like it could be the original. Loaded up with chrome, you got the hood ornament, you got the bumper guards, you got the fender spears, the eyebrows around the headlights, lots of chrome. It all has some wear on it. None of it's beat up or rusted, but it all is, patinaed. Moldings down the side are really nice and straight. It has the full hubcaps, the painted rim, white wall tires, has the rocker moldings, that would be an accessory. The fingernail guards right here, that's an accessory. Metal door edge guards. The stone shields here, fender skirts. All that I believe is optional. The paint shows really well. There's some nicks right here on the edge, a couple little touch-ups here and there, a little nick there. But it actually shows very nicely. You have reverse lights, that's an option. Bumper guard. Here's the dealership that it was sold new at. That's a suburb of Chicago. Power Glide emblem. So back here the trim is nice. There's a little touch up right in here. The trim around the fuel door is an option. Again, everything's straight. The body is real straight. Looks like a minor dent right here. Maybe something fell on it right there. The antenna's seen better days unless that'll clean up. It's kind of tarnished. Windshield's real clear. All this stainless trim is real nice. It all looks good. Let me see if I open the hood while we're swinging around here. That's the inline 6. I think you can read our ad on the website, but I think it's a 235. It has a sticker on the carburetor, I think in 02, that was rebuilt as well. It has an optional oil filter. Yes, back then the oil filter was optional. Everything looks proper and tidy. The ductwork pipes are in place. Firewall is definitely the original paint. The motor looks like it's been repainted and cleaned up It looks nice. Door jambs are just clean, tidy. The rubber is not perfect, but it's soft. I'm going to guess the carpets are new. They look like they've been replaced. The dash area is real nice, does have a radio. All the chrome is actually exceptionally nice around the instruments, the lenses, the knobs, the heater controls. All that's beautiful, actually. Inside the glove box, the light still works. It has a Cook County Village sticker from 1976 on the windshield still. And you get, this tire is brand new, probably 20-something years ago. It has the nubs on the tread. You got a box of parts here, some extra trim that'll go with it. But the rubber mat, the cardboard liner, all that looks to be in good shape. The white convertible top, it's actually a power top. It's also in good shape. I did not see the boot for it. I don't think it's, sometimes it's down below the top, but I didn't see it in there. So why don't we fire it up? Doesn't that sound nice? Turn on the lights. The mirror is crystal clear. So pretty well decked out as far as trim goes. An automatic, that's desirable. Unique color that I think looks great on this car. 28,000 miles, one owner for 53 years. You're not going to find that too often. Looks like the tail lights aren't on right now. The cars do go through our shop for a final inspection before they ship out, whoever buys it. Yeah, it runs nice. So here's a rare opportunity. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. I just gave you a quick impression of what I see here, but if you have specific concerns, feel free to ask them. They'll also help with the paperwork, financing, delivery. They'll make buying the car real easy for you. Visit volocars.com. If you are enjoying our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted if you click on the bell icon. Got a great example here of a low-mile original car. Remember, they're only original once, so you can't go back and remake that car. Thanks for watching.